Mabuhay! I am Glenmark D. Virgo.
And I am Train Race Espinosa.
And I am President Jimenez.
And we are your safety officers for today. Let me introduce to you the 7 occupational safety hazard in food service operation. First, a natural or awkward posture. Second, repetitive motions. Third, standing in the same place for a long time. Fourth, heavy loads. Fifth, forceful use of your hand muscles. Sixth, slips, trips, and fall. Seventh, burns. And lastly, cuts and lacerations.
Unnatural or awkward postures, this includes walking, sitting, peeking, and kneeling. Standing or sitting in the same position for an extended period of time is a common cause of back, neck, and leg pain. A few minutes of walking or stretching will increase circulation and help you feel better and more productive. Repetitive motions. It can lead injuries when a task forces you to do the same movements over and over again. In order to avoid this hazard, the handler must take regular breaks from long or repetitive tasks. Take a stretch break multiple times throughout the day. Standing in the same place for a long time, this can increase strain on the muscles, tendons, ligaments, and nerves in the lower back, hips, legs, and feet. Maintaining a good posture is one of the actions can avoid this hazard. Avoid putting your weight into your heels, keep your abdominals engaged, and stand tall with your shoulders upright. Tuck your chin slightly to avoid forward head posture. Forceful use of hands muscles, it can result injuries in back, shoulder, and arms. To avoid this power of tools, to avoid height forces, reduce the weight of loads and need to be handled manually or call a colleague's assistance to move heavy loads when possible. Slips, trips, and fall. Injuries from this may be due to poor traction, bad lighting, inadequate handrails, oily and slippery floors, and his or her walking surface. To avoid surroundings must organized and clean. No unnecessary things in the floor and must be use signage in communicating everyone. Burns can be caused by improper handling. Avoiding burns is easy. We just need to be extra careful in front of any hot objects and must be used pot holders. Cuts and lacerations can be caused by knives and unguarded machines. To avoid this hazard, the handler must know the basic precaution and must use sharp knives.